Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to back up Instagram chats. You can't direct make backup of your Instagram chats, but you can download them to your phone. So first just open your Instagram app and then just go to your profile page. Just tap here and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Just like this, just tap on it. And now scroll down and look for your activity. Is that, just tap on it. Now scroll to the end and here's the option of download your information. You just have to tap on it and then you just have to tap on download or transfer information. Just tap on it. Then select your Instagram account. Then tap on next. And after that here tap on all available information. Just tap on it. And here you just have to tap on download to device. And here just tap on create files and after that your file will be ready and you can download it after some time. So that's how you can make backups of your Instagram chats. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.